If you liked this small story, please like, share, and subscribe. Your comments are welcome. Thank you.
Here's an unorthodox yet intriguing approach to addressing hair fall, blending alternative therapies, energy work, and unconventional wisdom. 1. Grounding, earthing, for hair health. What it is: walking barefoot on natural surfaces, grass, sand, soil, to absorb Earth's electrons, which may reduce inflammation, a contributor to hair loss. Why? Chronic stress and inflammation disrupt hair cycles. Grounding may help rebalance the body's electrical state. How? Spend 20 to 30 minutes daily barefoot outdoors or use a grounding mat indoors. 2. Inverted yoga poses, or just hanging upside down. Why? Increases blood flow to the scalp while stimulating hair follicles. Also reduces stress, a major cause of hair fall. Try Downward Dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, hold for 1 to 2 minutes. Legs up the wall, Viparita Karani, 5 to 10 minutes daily. Headstands, if experienced, start with support. 3. Hair brushing with intent, energy work. How? Use a wooden or boar bristle brush, no plastic. Before brushing, set an intention, e.g., strengthen my hair. Technique: brush slowly, starting at the scalp and moving outward. Visualize energy flowing into follicles. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes nightly. Why? Stimulates circulation and may influence hair growth via psychosomatic effects. 4. Moonlight-charged water for hair rinse. What? Leave a glass/copper vessel of water under a full moon overnight, then use it as a final hair rinse. Why? Moon-charged water is believed in Ayurveda/TCM to have balancing properties. No science, but calming rituals reduce stress. 5. Sound therapy for follicle stimulation. Try. Use a tuning fork, frequency 128 Hz or 432 Hz, near the scalp. Play binaural beats, theta waves, during meditation to reduce stress-related hair loss. Why? Vibrations may stimulate dormant follicles. Studies on sound and tissue repair exist, but not specifically for hair. 6. Hair mask from unusual ingredients. Onion and blackstrap molasses mask. Blend 1 onion, high sulfur, plus 1 tablespoon blackstrap molasses, iron, minerals. Apply to scalp, leave for 20 minutes, rinse. Why? Sulfur boosts collagen, molasses delivers iron, low iron equals hair loss. 7. Shungite stone elixir for hair rinse. What? Place a shungite stone, carbon-based mineral, in water overnight. Use as a spray. Why? Anecdotal reports suggest it reduces inflammation. No solid science, but harmless to try. 8. Breathwork for hair growth. Brahmari Pranayama, bee breath. Close ears with thumbs, place fingers on scalp. Inhale deeply, exhale with a humming sound, like a bee. Do 5 to 10 rounds daily. Why? Vibrations stimulate follicles and reduce stress hormones. 9. Cold fire therapy, contrast showers. How? Alternate 30 seconds cold/30 seconds warm water on scalp for 3 to 5 minutes. Why? Boosts circulation and may shock dormant follicles into activity. 10. Hair growth sigil magic, psychological hack. Draw a personal hair growth symbol, sigil, on your shower wall or mirror. Stare at it daily while affirming strong hair. Why? The brain may subconsciously prioritize hair health through focused intention. Final thought. While these methods aren't scientifically proven, they focus on reducing stress, improving circulation, and leveraging the mind-body connection, key factors in hair health. The placebo effect alone can sometimes trigger real changes.
Would you like a customized combo based on your lifestyle? Great! Let's create a customized, unorthodox hair revival plan based on your lifestyle, stress levels, and preferences. Answer these quick questions, and I'll tailor a protocol for you.